Best of best means hiring the best people available to you at the time.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that one of the things that we had spoken about earlier today was that we have the ability to look for deals. We have the ability to do, that's a natural thing because we're taught that we don't want to overspend or overpay or whatever the case may be. So sometimes we maybe forsake somebody that could save us a lot more money. But when we're looking at it as a business and saying as a business, you know, this person costs X and that person costs X plus Y, we'll hire X. But what happens is by hiring X, X doesn't work out. Now you're replacing X, and it's cost you X plus Y plus Z.
Right.
So I think what you have to do is look at always trying to hire the best people. It took me a long time to realize that. But I think from now on, my viewpoint on that is always get the best people for every job possible. Because if you get the best people, best qualified people, it makes your job a lot easier.
When you do that, delegation becomes quite easy. You know that you have to focus on steering the ship. That's your goal, is to get, you know, provide the vision for the organization, and so that everybody, the mission and vision and values are all lined up and everybody follows it, makes it easy for them to follow. And then when you delegate, what you really want is them to be an extension of what you would have done or how you could have done it, and then even better than what you did. So it's a win-win-win for everybody. You know, them, the team, and the organization.
Oh, that's very good.